Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Power BI data refresh with on-premises gateway. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable data refresh in Power BI using an on-premises gateway, start by installing the on-premises data gateway on your local machine. Visit the official Microsoft website to download the gateway installer. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the prompts to complete the installation. After installation, open the gateway application. You will need to sign in with your Power BI account credentials. Once signed in, choose whether to use a personal mode or standard mode for the gateway. If you choose standard mode, you will be prompted to provide a name for your gateway. After naming your gateway, specify the region in which it will operate. Once your gateway is set up, navigate to the Power BI service online. Log into your Power BI account if you haven't already. In the Power BI service, go to the settings by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. From the settings menu, select Manage Gateways. You will see a section where you can click on Add Data Source under the relevant gateway section. Choose the type of data source you will connect to, such as SQL Server or analysis services. Fill in the required connection details for the data source, including server name and database name. Make sure to authenticate the connection using your credentials. Once you have entered all the information, click on Create to save the data source. After saving, return to your Power BI report that you want to link with the gateway. In Power BI Desktop, ensure your report is using the same data source as set up in the gateway. Publish your report to the Power BI service using the Publish button. Once published, navigate back to the Power BI service and select your report. Now, configure the scheduled refresh by going to the Dataset settings. In the Dataset settings, locate the Scheduled Refresh section. Toggle the switch to enable scheduled refresh. Specify how often you want the refresh to occur, such as daily or weekly. Set the time zone and exact times for the refresh intervals. Make sure to save your settings to apply the scheduled refresh. You can refresh your data manually by clicking on the Refresh Now button. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.